Golden Technologies presents the GB120 Foldable Travel Scooter. Today I'm going to take you through instructions on how to fold down the GB120 Foldable Travel Scooter. The GB120 folds down in 4 quick and easy steps. We also include a travel bag with purchase, a cup holder, as well as a front basket. Step 1. Remove the seat. Look below the seat and pull up on the yellow lever directly under the seat. Step 2. Pull the knobs on either side of the seat post out in order to lay it flat. Step 3. Pull the tiller lever towards the handle and lay down flat. Finally, step 4. Place seat on top of the folded scooter by aligning the seat post with the mount on the scooter. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you watching this tutorial, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Visit carryonyusa.com or give us a call at 803-926-2224.